What you making, Valerie? You making a car?
Yeah.
Wow, you made one yet? Look at that.
This is my car.
That's so cool. What you about to make, Valerie?
This cake.
Okay. Oh, and you got a puzzle set?
It's a book. I got a book too.
Okay. What you got?
Down.
Oh, wow. Okay. What you made? Oh, wow. It's nice. Well, what's this for?
I don't know. Oh, I know what you do with it.
What do you do with that?
I think you put the... Oh, now I know what to do. I know what to do.
What you gonna do with it?
I think you put it right here.
Here?
And then you smush it.
Smush it.
No.
Hey, I wondered if you put those tops on there. Put the top on there, and then you make it, and then you can squish it like that.
Oh.
Let's see if this fits on here. Oh no! Now put that on there. Let's see.
Play-Doh?
Oh, uh-oh, it came off. I'm assuming it's like, I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, that's good. You just want to get it on there.
Yeah.
God bless you. Okay. Now pick it up. See what it did. Oh, almost.
Part of his eye.
I don't know. Maybe that's not right. Yeah, figure it out. Maybe you can just push it on there. I don't know what that is. I gotta figure out what that is.
I think you just like put it in here. That's
Okay.
Yeah, let's put it on there.
Did you? Whoa.
Let's see the blue and this here.
Whoa, this is black? Yeah.
Yeah, and I see that.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. It goes in here and then you smush it to make it go back.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna show it to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we gotta grab some paper.
So you just kind of stick it in there.
Yep.
Okay. This is something gonna come out. Whoa.
You made it squared.
Okay.
That's all. That sucks.
Oh. You washing your hands, Kaylee? You taking care of the baby, Valerie?
Good.
Aww. Whoa. Look at him go. Whoa, look at it. You like that? Whoa. Look at that dancing robot. Uh-oh, she fall out again. Whoa! That's a super busy. Go, get it. Cut it on. Want to cut it on? Cut it on. Yes. Sure. See at the bottom? You turn it on. Right there. That switch. Push it over. Nope. Push it over that way. Like that. There you go. Whoa. Thank you, baby. Whoa. You scared of that robot? Oh, don't be scared. I don't think it's gonna work on there. You gotta keep it on the floor. Keep it on this one. Okay, let me open that for you. Let me open that for you. It turns over second. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna cut it off. I know it's loud. I'm gonna turn it off in a second. I know your mom was... that away. Now, Dad. Gotta play. What you about to do with your baby doll? You about to take care of your baby doll? Alright, come on, show me. Show me what you about to do. What you gonna do over there? Uh-huh. Oh, that's the chair. Can you put the baby doll in there? Wow. So that's when you feed her? Okay. What happens when you gotta change your clothes?
Huh?
Where you gonna put her when you change your diaper? Where you gonna put her? Over here? Right here? That's the changing station. Yeah. So put it right here. Look, see? Now you can change her clothes. You can change her diaper and her clothes, right? Now where are her clothes at? You gotta hang them up. You got hangers over here. So where's the clothes at? Oh, her clothes is on her. You wanna change her into something else? Oh, but you know what you forgot to do? You forgot to wash your hands. You can't touch the baby with dirty hands. Are you gonna wash your hands? Kaylee, you gotta wash your hands. You gonna wash her? Okay. You washing her hands? There you go. You cleaning her up? Yeah, we want to have a nice clean baby, right? Good job. Get all behind her ears and her fingers. Good job. You like it? Uh-oh. Got to mess something over. Sorry.
I think it's hard and
oh, that's not gonna look good. Sorry, let's go this way. I'm trying to see a good spot. Okay. I want you to point to those and tell me what these are. Point to them. Wait. What is that? What's that?
flower,
Uh-huh.
wash,
And a star. Good girl. You're so smart. Yep. What's this right here? You washing your hands? What is this? That's a washing machine. Oh, wow. Washing your hands? Get you some soap. Good job. We don't want to have clean hands before we touch the baby, right? Okay, what you about to do with her clothes? You gonna wash it? Where you gonna put it at? In the washing machine? Alright, put it in the washing machine. There you go. Alright, now you gotta turn it on. What are you gonna set it to? Alright, good job. Ding! Alright, it's done. Take it out. Yeah, take it out. Open the door. Okay. There you go. And then we gotta take it and you gotta hang it up so it can dry. Which hanger are you gonna use? You got a white, yellow, and a blue. Which one you wanna use? Tell me which one you're gonna use. How about, okay, get the blue one. Hang it up, and then you let it dry. Then after it dry, she can put her clothes back on. Because she's gonna catch a cold. Getting it? Good job. Okay, now you can hang it up, let it dry. Good job. And when you have extra clothes, you can put them in the basket down there. See, they slide out. Look. See, so you can put a lot of clothes in there. Huh?
That's done.
Yep, I finally got it done. Oh. She washed the clothes, she let them dry, she put them in the drawer. Yep, and that knob turns. The blue knob. All dry, ready to put some new clothes on, some clean clothes.
What goes up here?
See on there? Look on there. You can put like the baby bottle and all that. Valerie, it's all done. Look, it's all done. It's finished. You can play with it now. Your mommy just gonna put the stickers on. I'm gonna let TT Shreese put the stickers on. Oh, did you hand me that one more thing we haven't opened up yet? The horsey over there. Yep. Whoa! Get it! Whoa, he's gone.